In this video, we're going to take a look at how to reference another sheet in Google Sheets. So for this example, I want the total of sales, but I have a number on this sheet, which is 5, and I have a number on sheet 1, which is 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type equals sum, open brackets. I'm going to click the number in the sheet that I'm in, and then I'm going to click plus, and then I'm going to move over to the sheet 1 tab, and then I'm going to click on the number from here, which is 5, and basically it brings in the sheet name, so sheet 1 exclamation mark, and then its location B4. Then if I click enter, it gives me the total of the two numbers from different sheets.